100% polyester. Imported. Easy decorating Dream Factory bedding can help you quickly style a fashionably fun kids' bedroom. 7-piece set includes 1 comforter, 76 by 86 inches, 1 flat sheet, 81 by 96 inches, 1 fitted sheet, 54 by 75 plus 10 pocket, 2 pillowcases, 20 by 30 inches, and 2 shams, 20 by 26 inches. Versatile prints. Our bed in a bag makes decorating easy. With one-stop shopping, all pieces are color coordinated and are designed to conveniently complement each other. Durable soft comforter, Sham and sheet set, 85 GSM ultra soft microfiber, comforter fill, 100% polyester. Gift idea. Give a cozy gift to family, friends, children and grandchildren for birthdays, holidays or special occasions. Your little one will love this perfect cat garden bedroom ensemble. The ultra-soft comforter and Sham features cartoon-like cats sitting amidst stylized tulips, daisies and fluttering butterflies in shades of turquoise, gray, pink and white. The comforter and Sham reverse to a white daisy print on a turquoise blue ground. A coordinating sheet set showcases an allover cat nose and whisker print and is constructed of polyester microfiber fabric. 100% polyester microfiber. Ultra soft and comfortable. Polyester fill. Machine washable. Imported. Bed in a bag includes 1 full comforter, 76 in WX86 in L, 2 standard shams, 20 in WX26 in L, 1 full flat sheet, 81 in WX96 in L, 1 full fitted sheet, 54 in WX75 in LX10 in pocket, 2 standard pillowcases, 20 in WX30 in L. Top reviews from the United States. Pretty quilt set. Bought for my granddaughter. She's loves it. Says it's very comfortable and keeps her warm at night.